Hope wore old clothes. Hope lived in a small village at the edge of a dry field. She wore old faded clothes, stitched many times. People often judged her by her appearance. Children whispered and laughed when she passed. But Hope walked with her head held high. Her eyes shone with quiet confidence. Every morning, she helped her mother before sunrise. Then, she walked miles to attend school. Her shoes were worn, but her steps were firm. In class, Hope listened carefully to every lesson. She wrote with a broken pencil, yet full focus. Others had new books. She had borrowed pages. Still, she never complained. Teachers noticed her dedication. She stayed back to ask questions and learn more. At home, nights were dark without electricity. Hope studied under a dim oil lamp. Her clothes were old, but dreams were new. During exams, fear tried to shake her, but determination stood stronger. Results day arrived. Hope ranked among the top students. The same people who mocked her were silent. Her teacher smiled with pride. Her parents' eyes filled with tears of joy. Hope received a scholarship. New doors opened for her future. She still wore simple clothes, but now respect followed her everywhere. She helped other children like herself. She reminded them to believe in themselves. Her village began to change its mindset. People learned not to judge by appearance. Hope proved strength comes from within. Hope wore old clothes but carried priceless courage. Moral: never judge a person by their appearance. True wealth lies in determination, hard work, and self-belief.